VFX, visual effects, refers to the process of creating or manipulating imagery outside of a live-action shot, typically using computer-generated imagery, CGI, to enhance or completely transform visual elements in films, television shows, video games, commercials, and other media. VFX are used to produce visuals that are impossible or too costly to capture in real life or to improve the visual storytelling of a project. Here are some key components of VFX. 1. CGI, computer-generated imagery. 1. 3D models and animation. Artists create digital models, characters, environments, objects, that are animated for scenes. 1. This is used for everything from making creatures to whole worlds in films like Avatar. 2. 3D rendering. The process of generating a 2D image from a 3D model using software. 2. This process makes the models look realistic by applying textures, lighting, and shading. 2. Compositing. 1. Layering visuals. Compositing is the process of combining multiple layers of footage or CGI elements into a single final image. 1. This includes integrating live-action footage with digital elements, e.g., adding explosions or creatures into a live-action scene. 2. Green screen, chroma keying. Using a green or blue background to film subjects, then replacing that background with a digital one in post-production. 3. Matte painting. 1. Digital backdrops. Matte paintings are used to create realistic or fantastical environments that don't exist in real life. 1. These paintings, often blended with 3D elements, give the illusion of vast landscapes or futuristic cities. 4. Motion capture, mocap. 1. Capturing human movement. Motion capture technology records an actor's movements and transfers them to a digital character. 1. This is widely used for creating lifelike animation of characters, like Gollum in The Lord of the Rings or the Hulk in Avengers. 5. Particle systems. 1. Simulating effects. VFX artists use particle systems to create effects like fire, smoke, explosions, rain, snow, and other environmental effects. 1. These systems simulate the behavior of particles, small elements like droplets, sparks, etc., to produce realistic-looking effects. 6. Match moving. 1. Tracking 3D elements with live action. Match moving, or camera tracking, involves analyzing live-action footage to track the movement of the camera and ensure that the digital elements integrate smoothly and remain consistent with the physical environment. 7. Simulations, fluid, cloth, and rigid body. 1. Creating realistic movement. Simulations are used to mimic real-world physical behavior of materials, such as liquid flowing, cloth moving in the wind, or objects breaking or colliding in a natural way. VFX in different industries. 1. Film and TV. VFX is used extensively in Hollywood and beyond to create fantasy worlds, enhance action sequences, and bring stories to life in a way that would be impossible or too expensive to achieve with practical effects alone. 2. Video games. VFX in games is used to enhance the visual experience, from character animations to environmental effects and explosions. 3. Advertising. Commercials often use VFX to create attention-grabbing visuals that might not be achievable through traditional filming methods. 4. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. VFX plays a crucial role in making virtual environments feel immersive and interactive. Popular VFX software. 1. Adobe After Effects. Used for compositing, motion graphics, and visual effects creation. 2. Autodesk Maya. A 3D modeling and animation software used extensively in the VFX industry. 3. Blender. A free and open-source 3D creation suite that includes modeling, animation, simulation, and rendering features. 4. Nuke. A node-based compositing software that is widely used for high-end visual effects. 5. Cinema 4D. A 3D software used for motion graphics and VFX animation. VFX versus Special Effects, SFX. 1. VFX is often confused with special effects, SFX. 1. While SFX refers to physical or mechanical effects created on set, like explosions, prosthetics, or animatronics, VFX involves digital effects created in